To add or edit recipes, first make sure each vat is turned off. Then press the Home button. Now select Recipe and Menus and enter the code 1650. Select Recipes and press the plus button. Enter the product's details by starting with the name, then follow down the list until complete. Select Product Image. Assign the product to a menu, then press Save.